Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're taking a look at the EMEET Airflow earpods or earbuds or whatever you want to call these. You can tell I've got them in right here. Has a microphone here. We've got two of them. They do say on the box that they're in the ear. They don't really go in the ear. They're wrap around the ear. They hang out just on the outside, and it does have the microphone boom. But what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox these. I'm going to show you what comes in these, and then I'm going to test them out. Which I have them on right now. I'm going to give you my final thoughts on these and what I think, what the sound quality. Unfortunately, I don't really have a way to mimic the sound quality so you can hear it, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment, and let's get started unboxing the EMEET Airflow earpods. So let's unbox the EMEET Beats Airflow in the ear, EMEET Airflow. So these look pretty cool. We're going to unbox it and try these out. So first of all, let's start with the box. It's got some plastic wrapping around it. Let's see if this slides out. How does this open up? It's very trying to figure out how the box. There it goes. Okay, so it just opens like this and comes in a nice case. I'm seeing this all for the first time with all of you. So let's open that. We've got an instruction booklet for them. Read through that. I'm going to open this up for a second. Got some plastic covering here. Let's get all that off. Trash out of the way. So here is the case. Looks like USB-C for charging. How's this open? Right like that. So got it opened up. There's a green light on. Looks like a charge button or some kind of button. I got to read the instructions, but I'm just unboxing this. So that is the one of the earphones. They've got a little tab to pull off, just protective tab. I'm sure the other one has one too. So they charge in the case, obviously. Pull this tab off. Where's it at? There it is. If I can get a hold of it. Okay, take that one off. So slip in over the ear. We'll try that here in a minute. We're really just taking a look at this, what's in the box. To get the charging case, we'll have to plug that up and charge it. Get a nice leather bag. It's nice, so I guess this just goes in here. Carry bag. So that's pretty nice. And let's see what else comes with it. There's another little box in here. I'm guessing this is probably a charging cable. That's what it looks like. USB-C, and at least on the box, it looks like it comes with a USB-A adapter. So let's see. Yep, there's a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So that's what I was seeing on the... Wow, can I even get that out of there? Well, that comes out of there, but you know what? I can't get a hold of it. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that out. And then a USB-A to USB-C cable. So that's pretty interesting. Like, why would you go USB-A to USB-A? Huh. Really not sure what this is for. I'll have to read the book. But there's an adapter. A to C adapter. Interesting. Anyway, that's what comes in it. So you have a cable, have an adapter, you have the leather bag, and you have the case. I'm going to read the instructions. Then I'm going to start using it, and we're going to see how good this works. Okay, so one thing real quick to add to this after reading the instructions. This is not an adapter. This is the dongle to plug into your laptop to pair the headphones with your laptop. So you also have to download this software called, where's it at? EMEET Tune. So I'm going to use this with iPhone or my Android. I'm going to pair it up, see how it works. I'm going to see if it works as Bluetooth without this software, and then we'll use the software as well. My laptop also has Bluetooth built in, so I'm going to see if I can pair the headphones to the laptop without needing this dongle. But I'll try both ways, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. So as part of the instructions as well is that you can see here, it gives you the instructions on how to play and pause. So single tap, double tap either side, that's next track. Triple tap goes back, previous track. And then long tap the left side to decrease volume, long tap the right one to increase volume. And then the other thing that I had failed to see because it was messed up in the box, which is fine, but this was laying back in here. So this is the microphone. And so get this out right here. So this is a microphone, and on either side of these EMEET headphones is a little port. So you can plug the microphone in to the right side or the left side, whichever you want. But based on the instructions with the increased volume, decreased volume and stuff, you're supposed to wear both of these. So it's, I know with other pods and stuff, people will wear one. When it goes dead, they wear the other. But apparently you're supposed to wear both. And if you want to use the microphone, it attaches to either side. So you can wear it on the right side or the left side. I'm going to get these charged up and then we're going to test them out. So let's talk about the EMEET Airflow earbuds. So here's the box. You saw the unboxing. You saw the case. The case is how you're going to charge these. It's also how you pair it with Bluetooth. So essentially you put both earbuds in here, press down at the same time. Box turns blue. That's pairing mode. Find it on your phone, pair it. It's quick and easy. It really does work and is amazing. Now, so let's talk about this overall. First of all, sound quality during telephone calls. Incredible. Probably the best I've ever heard of any kind of earpiece, even wired ones. I've never had anything that sounds as crystal clear as these. Second of all, the person on the other end that I've talked to, I've done multiple phone calls. I did a test with the protruding microphone and without. The people on the other end I talked to could not tell a difference in audio quality having the protruding microphone and not having the microphone. So I don't like it hanging down. I would rather go like this without. So I prefer this. These are very comfortable. The box says in-ear. It's not in-ear. They kind of like hang just outside the ear. I really don't even realize I have them on most of the time. And so very comfortable. Telephone calls, incredible sound quality. Highly recommend it. When it comes to music, great clear audio, good high end and mid range, not much bass or low end. And so not like if you have paired to a speaker or something else like that. So when it comes to listening to music, just understand you're not really going to have that rich bass that you might want when you're listening to music. So there might not be the best option for music. Walking around, very comfortable. Laying in bed, watching your phone, watching YouTube videos so that my wife next to me isn't being awakened by the sound of this. Perfect. Sitting, pairing it to even my TV and watching TV so that I don't disturb others. Great. Excellent use. It's just that music thing. Jogging around or running. They flap a little bit. They feel like they might come off. They're not going to, but not necessarily as secure as like an in-ear option. They do work, but I'm not sure if I'd want them for jogging. Vast majority of the things I use them for, excellent. The only other thing that I kind of is annoying to me is you touch them to control them, and they're so sensitive that I accidentally hung up on my mom because I reached up to adjust it because it was slightly off, and I hit the thing and it hung up on her. The way they work is right side, tap it to play or to pause, tap it twice to go to the next song if you're listening to music, tap 3 times to go back to the previous song, hold down, press to volume up on the right side, which on your screen you're seeing left, and on my left side, you hold down, long press on the left side to bring down the volume. So that is how they control, but they're so sensitive, you just barely touch it and it's like going to the next song or turning things off. And actually this is the second time that I recorded this this part of the review, because I was sitting here doing it and I just referenced it and I touched it and the music started playing and I'm just like, okay, hang on a second. Primarily, I found it easier to control the volume going to next on my phone, because tapping this is just so sensitive, and it just it was a little bit annoying, honestly. It would be great if these had the option to turn off the touch sensors to be able to go just to your phone. So I wish it had that option. I didn't see it having that option. The other thing I noticed too, you know, it does come with a little dongle so that you can plug into your laptop. That's perfect if your laptop does not have built-in Bluetooth. But if your laptop has built-in Bluetooth, you don't need that. You can pair these directly to your computer with Bluetooth and they work great. So, and I'll probably use them a lot for that too when I'm editing and stuff, because no longer plugging into the hard wire and having a wire, I can just use these. I just got an alert on my phone from an app called Pulse Point, and it was extremely loud in my ears. So, you know, so it's all your app notifications come through and things like that. I got to tell you, overall, I'll give them an A, A minus. Let's say A minus on this. They're very good. The touch sensitivity drives me nuts. I wish you could turn that off. Other than that, and then I wish it had a little bit better low end, some bass in the music. But those are relatively minor compared to all the uses for this and how good it is. So I do recommend them. In disclosure, they sent these to me. I'd already reviewed a camera system, a streaming camera system for them. They did send them to me for free, and I do get to keep them. However, I'm not being paid for the review. This review is mine opinion alone. And so when I feel like they need to improve their product, I'll let you know that. Overall, I'm really happy with them. I'm going to use them all the time. So if you'd like to pick up a pair of these to try them out, link will be in the description so that you can go find those on Amazon. And my Amazon store, you can go there, amazon.com/shop/MikesWorld. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and always leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Take care.